Okay, good morning, everyone. I think our mic is pretty much up to standard now. So, welcome to a new trading week. We're gonna do before we do anything, we're gonna check Forex Factory. Just to see if we have any high impact news coming out this session tonight. Well, let's share what's wrong with this thing. Tell me I have a problem with my internet. Fine. Something wrong with website here. Anyways, we're gonna get straight into it. Yeah, we're gonna do a top-down analysis now, starting on the higher time frames. So let's see. Looking at the weekly time frame on gold, bit tricky. The weekly time frame, last week's candle closed like a dodgy. So not too sure if it's gonna continue up or continue bearish. It did close. My broker says it closed bullish, but on my charting terminal it says it closed bearish. So if this is closed bullish, then we could potentially come out to retest the highs. If it closed bearish, then could potentially still come down. We do have clean traffic to the left coming down, down towards 1820, 1830 area. But yeah, looking at the daily time frame now. Let's see what's happening on the daily time frame now. Last week Friday's daily candle closed a little bit below this daily support area over here that was formed on Monday, last week Monday. Closed right here, just a little bit above 1865, maybe 1865, 500. We're not too sure if today's candle is just doing the bottom work to potentially drive up, or could, because of how last week's Friday's candle rejected this support level at 1865, 500, might come down. So we have a little bit of a tricky situation over here. But if we are to go bearish, we need to come below 1862, 1861 area on the daily time frame. Potentially come down our next support area at 832 right here. So that's the daily time frame. Looking at structure on the 4 time frame, dropping onto the 4 time frame. Okay, now looking at the 4 time frame, we're in a bit of a range at this point. Let's see, we have resistance right here at 1867, just a little bit above 1867, and we have resistance down here, support level at 1860. So pretty much trading in this range. Ideally, I'd like price to come out of this range before taking a trade, but this is gold. This is a 70 pip plus range. We could potentially catch a couple of pips in this range. It's fine. Looking now at the 1 hour time frame. Now, this would have been a good opportunity to take a trade right over here. Yeah, would have caught 10 pips over here if it was on the chart. Right now, I think we missed the move, so there's no point in trying to rush into a trade right now. But you can clearly see that price broke. Oh man. Wrong screen. Okay, now this is a trade I would have gotten in. We have this traffic coming down over here, breaking below this resistance creating a new low. We have price coming back up, creating a resistance here. If I was on the charts at 10 a.m., I would have taken this trade right down over here, but actually break those. Would have secured 10 pips right here. Right now, ah, yeah, the 50-minute time frame looks okay, but see, see how it goes. See how it goes. Okay, we have the 30-minute candle closing back in range. Uh, see how this 4 candle is closing. This really gets a little bit tricky now. We have the 4 candle rejecting a minor resistance here. 30-minute candle closing back in the range. Can clearly see a rejection over here. The time frame. Yeah, things just a little see right now. This is yeah, I'd like to see a bearish candle close confirmation. Any trade looking at the 5. Oh, rejected 5 minutes. Move. I don't want to force any trade in this range, to be honest. 2-minute candle close. Actually, I'm not gonna do anything unless price comes down below 861. Yeah. The thing is, we've had rejection here. Now, price 1861 is pretty much holding at this point. So, what I'd like to see is a nice little candle close like this, and then pop towards the bottom. That's what I want to see. Asian session, not advisable to be trading the 5-minute time frame or lower. 10-minute time frame is a bit okay. Ideally, take a trade on the 30-minute. 30 minutes is a little bit okay too, but if you take a trade on the 1 hour time frame or the higher time frame, that's even better. So nothing as yet. This is a good session to build a character. Patient. Should be okay. Right on. Get some pain on this one. Let's see. Testing. There we go. We can get a nice bearish close on the 15-minute candle. I think we could potentially retest the lows. We'll see how this we'll see how this 50-minute candle closes. It's getting a little bit tricky at the moment. Okay, Let's see. The 30-minute candle is also open at this point. We have broken below the previous 30-minute candle low over here, but just want to see how this 50-minute candle closes. Want to rush into anything at this point. Let's see. What are the chances we break the low and then we continue pushing bearish? 4 time frames done. Yeah, we have broken below the previous 4 candle low. This is where it gets a little bit tricky right now. This might just be a liquidity grab to continue pushing bullish. Very tricky price action. Very tricky price action. This is where FOMO starts to kick in. At this point, I don't want to jump into this and then get trapped. So we'll wait to see how this 30-minute candle closes. Yeah. Tricky situation.
I'm Ria Khan. I am going to be a stunt woman. My sister Lena is the only person who believes in me.
Want to help me with a vid for my channel?
She helps me with all my training.
You are going to be such a great stunt woman. That was dope though.
But lately, she's been seeing this guy, who I think is a bit of a smarmy wanker. Lena, it's a trap.
Oh my god, Ria, chill out.
Now, I'm not being dramatic, but these people are evil. I found something.
I've got my eye on you.
They are not taking her away without a fight.
I will strike down you or anyone else who tries to get in my way. How about the bikini area?
Let's dance.
We need to get Lena out.
How?
Mischief is afoot.
Lena's not going anywhere. You little bitch.
Rude.
Mom, what are you doing? Oh.
We stick to the plan. Nothing changes. We are going to show Lena who these people really are.
Let's decimate this mother!
Did you see my kick?
Of course I bloody did. It was magical. I'm pretty sure I drew blood.
This is Carol. She saved $380 when she switched her car insurance to Yui.
I saved nearly $400. I'm on a fixed income. That's big for me.
Carol is a bit of a community warrior.
If something is going wrong, you can either moan or you can fix it.
Clearly, she likes to be taken seriously.
Yui didn't make assumptions about me. Yui just treated me as I felt I should be treated. I felt I was talking to somebody who was listening to me. It was just wonderful.
Why not give Yui a try? Maybe you'll save like Carol did. Yui, you.
Okay, looking at hindsight, yeah, that just wasn't any confirmation, to be honest. No kind of close confirmation. The 50-minute time frame. Previous 50-minute cannot close above support. 30-minute candle. The only confirmation we had was a break below this 30-minute candle over here, but it's not an ideal confirmation. Ideally. You know, at this point, I'm not too interested in taking sales at this point, to be honest. We have 7 minutes until this 30-minute candle closes. Looking at hindsight, this would have been a good opportunity to get in right over here on the break of the previous 30-minute candle, right here. But yeah, I guess we've missed the move. These are the kind of situations where FOMO starts to kick in, so I guess we can wait to see how this forward candle closes in the next 36 minutes. This thing is flying back up at this point. Might have a nice little trade on the 1 minute time frame. Just want to see something happening here. Maybe a bearish candle close over here to potentially retest the lows, potentially. Like to see that. Okay, it's got in right here based on the 1 minute time frame, back of the previous 1 hour candle, 1 minute candle low. Really anticipating the continuation of this bullish structure here. Stop loss. 10 pips is a good stop loss. Is it? Holy shit. Yeah, no topic on the 5 minute time frame here. I have an opportunity to scale in right here. Or not. If we get stopped out, then we get stopped out. Ideally, this candle should have closed. See, did. Yeah, we just got stopped out. Gonna wait for this 5 minute candle, maybe create some sort of resistance over here that we could potentially get in. Looking at the 4 time frame. Oh. 4 candles trading back up in this range over here. Not good at all. I want to give my trade a second chance, to be honest. Right there. We had a 10 pip loss. So let's see how we can do with this. Okay, right there. Got him right there. On the opening of the new 1 minute candle. Holy shit. This is our last trade for agent session. We have strong bearish volume. This is the opportunity, the only opportunity we have to get in on a sell over here. We have resistance found on the 1 minute time frame, so start driving bearish at this. Yeah, this is good. We're out, guys. Pretty much done for the session, guys. Yeah, 20 pips for the session. That's fine. Starting the week off with an L again. Just like last week. Oh yeah, this thing is tracing pretty hard at this point. Yeah, this was a little bit of a FOMO trade, to be honest. How many time frame is pretty trashy. 5 minute candle was pretty decent. Yeah. Pips. We'll see how this 1 hour candle closes. Oh, there we go. See? Now let's see how this 5 minute candle closes also. Holy shit. Oh well, I don't want to be over trading right now, so I'll catch you guys during NY session. Already took 2 losing trades of the session, so we're just gonna stay out of this. Yeah. Yeah, just gonna stay out of this one. Cheers, guys. Catch you guys during NY session.